Hello everyone. I hope your accounts paper was done amazing. So we are finally done with one of the papers, done and dusted. And I know right now a lot of things are going on in your mind relating to this paper. And unless you get over that, you will not be able to study for your law paper. So first of all, I want you to take a little bit of a time and just get over with this accounts paper. And okay, whatever you want to think about the paper, good, bad, please get done with it. Remember, a tense mind can never think right. Once you're done with it, we need to get into law, leaving whatever is done behind because past is past. Today, I want you to do Partnership Act and Companies Act. If we do this, we are literally covering up 40 marks today. So I want you to do Partnership Act and Companies Act. In case you're not able to complete the Companies Act, you can carry it forward to tomorrow, but start with Partnership and Companies Act. Tomorrow morning, I want you to cover up Indian Contract Act. It should be done by, midday. Once you're done with that, take up Sale of Goods Act, and then after that, Negotiable Instruments. In case today you could not complete Companies Act, first complete that and then take up Indian Contract Act. Day after tomorrow, you take up Indian Regulatory Framework and LLP. While you are studying, if you find any of the topic very confusing or you're like, I need to look into this topic again, take a separate notebook and mark that topic in that notebook, make a note of it. Now, what I want you to do is that once day after tomorrow, that is on the day of the exams, once you have done LLP and the Indian Regulatory Framework, go back to those topics which you found really difficult and just revise them also once again. Just remember, you are very well prepared and you have no reason to fear. Happy learning and stay motivated. All the best to all of you for your exams.